If you're encountering an API key expired error in Groq 2026, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue and regain access to your services. Step 1. Log into your Groq account. Visit the Groq website and log in using your credentials. Ensure that you have access to the account associated with the expired API key. Step 2. Navigate to API keys section. Once logged in, go to the account settings or dashboard. Look for the section labeled API keys or access tokens to manage your keys. Step 3. Generate a new API key. In the API key section, find the option to create or generate a new API key. Follow the prompts to create a new key, ensuring you note any permissions or settings required. Step 4. Update your application. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Groq to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, is honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Test the connection. Finally, test your application to confirm that the new API key is working correctly. Make a request to the API to verify that the API key expired error no longer appears. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and continue using Groq services without interruption.